It's been a busy afternoon of a lot of storms that just kind of keep on coming through.
Yeah, the good news is they're done now. They're moved out of the area, but we had those two rounds, both of them very photogenic for very different reasons. We've got a lot of weather photos in today. We appreciate all that participation from the viewers, but we see the storm line moving through. It obviously looked a lot worse than it was in many areas. It did pick up quite a bit of strength over southern parts of Shawnee, northern Osage County. Did have some tree limbs down and some quite a bit of hail there, but Max Track radar showing all of those storms have weakened and pushed off to the south and southeast at this time. We're also going to be tracking through the weekend some of this cloud cover to the north and much cooler air moving in. A look at KSNT Future Track. The clouds move out. Will be clear this evening, cool with a strong north wind, and then some lighter winds, but now some scattered clouds start moving in through Saturday. Now we're up to about midday Saturday through the afternoon. Bands of clouds will make it feel even cooler when we lose that sunshine. Heading into Sunday, here comes even more clouds and a few rain showers, but the bigger chance for rain will be Sunday night on into Monday. Sunny skies at Junction City right now, but a gusty north wind, nearly 25 miles per hour there, as well as in Manhattan, where it's also mostly sunny. In Topeka, still some scattered clouds and 66, but look at that north wind, 23 miles per hour, and we picked up 1.02 inches of rain with the storm over Topeka, but down at the south side, only 1/3 of an inch of rain at Forbes, no rain at Manhattan Regional, and a 1/2 inch at Fort Riley. So it's very scattered, and the intensity of it especially. But now that it's through, everybody is cooling down, and these winds north at 30 miles per hour right now at Marysville, 16 miles per hour to the south at the Burlington area. We've got these cooler winds, temperatures in the low 60s with a 30-mile-per-hour wind. It's starting to feel very different out there as that cooler air moves in for the weekend. Tonight, under a clear sky, we're cooled down to 43. Now, you may notice the winds are only 5 to 10. Through the evening, it will be windy, but later tonight, the winds will subside. Your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast, scattered clouds and 60 tomorrow. Then 64 on Sunday. We cloud up. We start out near 40 degrees. Some areas in the 30s Sunday morning. But look at Monday, when the rain sets in and with the breeze, temperatures only in the mid-50s for a high. It'll last through Monday night, but should wrap up Tuesday morning, followed by low to mid-70s for the second half of next week, with another rain chance possible by Friday. Look at some of those storm clouds. These are why there was so much kind of ominous look to them. You can see from Sean Martin taken downtown in Topeka, out at Rossville, from Misty Taylor, another view behind the Capitol building there, from Angela Fetch. They were very turbulent clouds, but there wasn't a lot of true rotation to them. That's why there's no tornado warning. Justin McFarland in Topeka, this was that first storm that came through with mammatus clouds, kind of a wavy look to the sky, very photogenic. That was storm 1 that came through from Robin Rutgers at Topeka and up north from Jim Ferris at Hiawatha. But storm 2 is probably the one that got more people spooked just because it looked worse than it was. Fortunately, we did not have a tornado threat. Obviously, that's why we did not have tornado warnings in effect.
It's just some of those clouds really kind of look like when they were dipping to the ground like that. Kind of gives off that illusion.
It was an ominous look for sure.
It definitely was.